ignition key switch to the off position. Place a rag or towel under the fuel filter to capture fuel that will leak from the hoses and filter. Push in on the fuel hose release tabs and disconnect the fuel hoses from the fuel filter. Now you will install the new filter. To do this, install the new fuel filter so the arrow points toward the engine. Securely connect the fuel hoses to the fuel filter with the locking hose connections. Visually inspect for fuel leakage from the fuel filter while turning the ignition key to the run position, forcing fuel into the fuel filter. Repair any fuel leaks found. To find out more information on changing the fuel filter on 75 through 115 horsepower Mercury outboards, refer to a Mercury owner's manual or visit mercurymarine.com and click on the Dealer Locator tab.